If you're a student thinking about what's next and you're curious about growth, technology, and making a real impact, I'd love to tell you a little bit about NTT DATA and why this might be the place for you to start your career. At NTT DATA, we are proud to be the place where you can grow. We work on leading technology solutions that help our clients solve complex problems, and we do it as part of a global organisation with a trusted reputation across Australia, New Zealand, and around the world. That means real projects and exposure to future-focused technologies and opportunities to learn from an incredible group of professionals across regions, disciplines, and industries. Our graduate program is an 18-month structured experience where you're embedded into a business area and supported to learn, develop, and build competence from day one. Working on meaningful work while being supported by our fantastic leaders and mentors, and of course, supported by a strong graduate community. We're not looking for one type of graduate. We welcome those of you with a broad degree background. This really is a place where we value different perspectives. If you're curious and motivated to grow, passionate about technology, and enjoy solving problems, we'd love to consider you for a graduate opportunity with us. If this sounds like you, we'd love to see your application. Please go to our profile page on SeekGrad and apply now.